Guys, today's project is this Toro lawnmower with a 2MC 6.5 horsepower engine. And the problem with it today is the customer called me and said, hey, can you look at my lawnmower? And I said, of course I can. That's what I do for a hobby. So, yeah, it's in really good condition. All the plastics are still shiny. Alright, guys, wait a second. I'm gonna go grab my chemical bottle and stuff. Alright, hey guys, so I'm gonna use my chemical bottle and 2 foot of fuel line in a glass jar, and I'm gonna siphon out the fuel that's in it right now. We gotta hope it's good fuel. If it's not good fuel, that's not gonna go very well. But let me turn the lawnmower your way so you guys can see me. So you guys can see me do this. I got my jar here. There we go. I use my chemical bottle to create a vacuum that if you guys can see, it's like a vacuum. It's pulling out all the fuel out of the tank. The fuel looks kind of good and kind of bad. It's kind of weird fuel, if you guys can see. It's kind of the right color. Here's the fuel. It does not even smell like gasoline. There's no water in it, so that's good, but it looks more like a tangy apple cider than gasoline, and it doesn't smell like gasoline either. So let me put some fresh gasoline in there, get rid of all the old gasoline, and see if it'll start. Alright guys, here's fresh gasoline. Here's the old gasoline. You can see this is the old stuff, this is the new stuff. It was definitely bad gasoline, so let me put this is 10 ounces of fuel. Put 10 ounces of fuel in there and see if because the guy said it'll start sometimes, and then when it does start, it surges up and down. So let's see what this thing does. We'll prime it. 1, 2, 3. You gotta. You're supposed to prime it 3 times, but I prime it 10 times every time it's out of fuel. Let's see if she'll start. This thing's got new stuff. It might need some starting fluid or some old gas. I'm gonna start with some gasoline. If it doesn't start, then it'll start. Yeah, it's not starting. It's probably just car clean. This is car clean. I got it for free. So, all right, let's put some gasoline in there. Let's put some gasoline in this thing. Let's watch it start. Let's watch this thing start up. Don't use new gasoline. I use old gasoline. well, guys, you guys see that? It's doing exactly what the customer said it was doing. So I'm gonna... This is gonna have to be where the video ends. And I'm gonna make a video on cleaning this carburetor and all that other stuff. It already has a new spark plug oil and all that, so I don't have to do it. But also, it still has that plastic cover. Most of those are missing, but we'll see you guys next time. Like, subscribe. Hope this helps somebody. Bye.